Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I just got home from a trip, and I had a package in the mail, so I'm going to show you what I received. All right, hold on. This is a package from Fabrics USA, and I'm going to open it. Open it, open it, open it. Oh, I gotta be careful. I don't want to cut anything. Ha! Here we are. Ooh, look at this. Ah, let's see here. Wait a minute, that's only one. There must be more than one in here. I think I ordered 4 different ones. They must have them folded all together. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I love this. Red, black, and yellow. Ooh, look at this. Oh, look at this. Magenta and purple. Ooh, purple and white. Oh, look at this one. Orange, brown, and yellow and beige. Okay, is that? Okay, so was that 4? Yeah, that was 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all right. What I'm gonna do with some of these is I'm gonna bling them up. I'm gonna bling them up. And if you like these, if you want some of this, it's gonna be available on my website by the yard. You know, each one of these is 6 yards long. So you could get, I'll sell them in 1 yard pieces. So this is the first one. I'm definitely gonna bling this one up. Next time you see this one, you're not going to recognize it. So that's that one. Oh, look at that purple. Oh, it's purple and gray and black. Very nice. Oh my goodness, and I think this magenta and purple and black is my favorite. Oh, that's very, very nice. And I may bling this one up too. We'll see. We'll see. But I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna put this in my shop and put some links in. I'm cutting these in into 12 by 12 pieces because that's the size of my some of my stencils. This is a stencil that I designed. It's not really one of my favorites. This size isn't my favorite because the way that the design came out, it was the little designs were too small. But anyway, I'm using it. I'm lightly spraying some spray glue because I want my stencil to attach to my fabric. I'm using Liquitex gloss gel to spread on my stencil. This is going to make sure that I get my gold design on here. I just want a thin layer, and I use a credit card, but you know, whatever you use to spread will be fine. Now I'm going to remove my stencil. I don't want to leave it on too long because I don't want it to stick to my fabric. As soon as I remove my stencil, I put it in some warm soapy water. I need to clean off my gel and also clean off the spray glue. Now I'm going to lay my fabrics out in the sun to let the gel dry. So I'm going to repeat the same process with this next fabric. And this foiling method is called the heat set method. I normally let my gel dry clear, but it's okay. It's still tacky. So I'm adding my foil sheets, and I'm going to use my iron to attach my foil sheets to my fabric. I'm going to iron it a little bit more to see if I can get a better design. This is what we have. I'm just going to attach my ear hooks and we'll be done. If you're new here, I'm Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also have a Tuesday live subscriber chat. We also have a Hobby to Hustle community on the school platform where we have lots of information to help you learn how to make money with your jewelry or whatever it is that you make and sell. So I invite you to check that out. There'll be a link in the description. Also, if you get value from these videos, I invite you to buy me a coffee if you'd like to do that. There's no pressure to do it, but if you want to, there is a link in the description. Also, I would love to ask you to give me a thumbs up, make a comment. It really helps the channel. YouTube will send my videos out to more people, and that is a great blessing to me. This is our Tuesday live subscriber chat. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.